May I have your attention, please?
No.
CHR daw, tanggalin CHR.
Okay lang sa akin. Problema. Okay lang sa akin.
Bakit, sir? Bakit?
Okay ka, Presidente. Okay rin sa akin.
Sinig pa sa CHR?
Bakit ba? May CHR o wala? Kung ang pulis magbabayulit talaga yan ng human rights, magbabayulit talaga yan. Kaya nasa konsensya na ng pulis yan. Kahit walang CHR, kung matino ang pulis, hindi yan gagawa ng kalukuhan. Hindi yan magbabayulit ng human rights. Di ba? Oo, I'm just being practical. I'm just being practical. With or without CHR, we can do our job properly without violating the human rights of the people. With or without them, we don't need them to watch. We don't need them to watch over us.
Funny checks and balances, sir.
Well, I will check and I will balance the PNP.
How are you going to do that, Steve? How are you
I
going
will check and I will balance. Kung ayaw niyo maniwala sa akin, then wala akong magawa. Basta ako, I will check and I will balance the PNP. Basta ako, my stand is, kami mga tao, kami naniniwala sa Diyos. Naniniwala kami sa human rights. Kaya with or without them, we are respecting human rights. Hindi namin sila kailangan na mag-lecture sa amin na itong dapat yung gawin, itong hindi. Dahil kami, maka-Diyos, maka-tao. Alam namin yung rights ng tao. At alam namin kung paano sumunod sa Diyos. May konsensya kami. We don't need them to dictate our conscience. May konsensya kami.